If your hotspot does not work on other devices on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can open the settings. Next, we're gonna proceed to the portable hotspot, and then in here we should be able to make a couple of small changes. For example, if you use the 6th generation standard, this can cause some compatibility issues because not every device supports Wi-Fi 6, hence why if you have this option enabled, your hotspot might not be detectable on other devices. So you might want to turn it off, at least for now, in order to see if it makes any difference. Another thing that you can do is you can go to set up portable hotspot, and then in here we should be able to decide which AP band we want to use. I'm going to actually turn on the hotspot because then we can change the AP band. So in here, if you use 5 GHz, then of course it allows you to increase the speed of the hotspot, but as a result we might experience compatibility issues, just like in the case of the 6th standard. So what you want to do is you can change the AP band back to 2.4 GHz, at least temporarily, in order to see if that makes any difference. And of course you can tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. You can also just change the password, so if the current password is too complicated, you can just set up an easier password if it's just convenient to do so. Also, besides that, if the hotspot is enabled, we can choose share QR code. You will generate this QR code, which of course can be scanned on other devices. So if other device has the option that allows them to scan Wi-Fi QR code, they can just do so to connect to your network without having to find the network. And of course the password will not be required as well. So that can be very convenient. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.